Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. If you're looking for the solution to fix the Epson ET 2803 paper jam, then you're at the right place. You can face this issue when some papers get stuck inside your printer. Here, in this video, you will learn the step-by-step instructions to remove the jam paper from your printer. Also, for a quick expert assistance, you can call at the following numbers. Alright, let's get right into the process now. For the first step, you should lift up the control panel. Then, open the front cover under the control panel. After that, lift up the top cover of your printer, something like you're seeing here. If there are papers inside, then gently take out without tearing them. Now, you can close the top cover and the front door as they were before. It is time to go to the back section of your printer. Remove all papers from there. After that, place the paper back in the tray properly. Now, press the start button on the control panel and check if the issue is resolved.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.